To add the Solana network on Coinbase in 2025, start by opening the Coinbase app on your mobile device or accessing the Coinbase website on your computer. Navigate to the Settings or Preferences section, depending on the device you are using. In the Settings section, look for the option to add a new network or add a new account, and select it. You will then be presented with a list of available networks to add, including the Solana network. Select the Solana network from the list and follow the prompts to add it to your Coinbase account. You may be asked to review and agree to the terms and conditions of using the Solana network on Coinbase. Once you have added the Solana network, you can begin using it to send and receive Solana tokens, also known as SOL. To do this, navigate to the Accounts or Wallets section of your Coinbase account and select the Solana network. From here, you can view your Solana account balance, send SOL to other users, and receive SOL from external sources. Make sure to carefully review the transaction details, including the recipient's address and the amount of SOL being sent, before confirming any transactions. It is also important to note that adding the Solana network to your Coinbase account may require you to have a minimum amount of SOL in your account to cover transaction fees. Additionally, be aware of the current market price of SOL and any potential fees associated with using the Solana network. By following these steps, you can easily add the Solana network to your Coinbase account and start using it to send and receive SOL. Remember to always prioritize security and follow best practices when using cryptocurrency networks to protect your assets. In conclusion, adding the Solana network on Coinbase is a straightforward process that can be completed in a few simple steps. By understanding how to add the Solana network and use it to send and receive SOL, you can take advantage of the benefits and opportunities offered by the Solana ecosystem.